Hello, hello students. Okay, so it's nice to meet you after a long time. Yes. Okay, due to the holidays and even I had some work in college. Okay, so I couldn't conduct your classes. Right. So today I am going to continue with the last class. Okay. So you people could guess where was the last class? Yes. Okay. If it is offline class means I would have yes. I'll answer ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದುನಂಗ ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದದ. ಎನಿವೇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದ್ವಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟ್? ಮೇಜರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ 2 ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿವೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟ್? ಮೇಜರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. Okay, so third one is lack of coordination between different financial institutions. Lack of coordination. Coordination between different financial institutions. Okay. So see, so students, we need to understand here how the coordination will play a role in every piece of work, you can say, or you take the any work or any department or any sector. Okay, without the cooperation, okay, we cannot run the business. Okay, we cannot run the what we say office, you can say, or organization, right? Coordination is required. Yes, coordination is required among the employees, among the staff. Okay, okay, you can say wherever. Okay, coordination is very much essential. Okay, so without the coordination, okay, you cannot run a business or any system in a smooth way, right? So here also we are talking about here lack of coordination between different financial institutions. Getting me? Because there are different financial institutions. Okay, we can't say that only the one institution is exist in our economy. No, there are several institutions are exist. Am I right? Okay, but when the several institutions are exist, okay, even though there must be the coordination among the different institutions or different systems. Getting me? Or different organizations. Getting me? Because even though you are not a part of the business, okay, so even though you are not a part of that work, okay, but there must be a coordination. Getting me? Now you can take the example. Okay, you can take now example, right? If there is a organization Okay, and there will be the you take an example of company, okay, or any the corporate company, okay. So company has different departments, okay, different type of work. Getting me? Now different department employees are working for a different goal, right? The obviously the final goal is the same, okay, but the division of work, because of division of work, they are working in a different goal, right? But we can't say that no, only I am thinking about my department, okay. Now my opposite the co-member is thinking about that department. No, you can't say, right? The finally we have to think that okay, we are working for a one organization, right? So same thing here, lack of coordination between the different financial institutions. Okay, there are different financial institutions. Okay, so among the different financial institutions, there is a no, you can say, or there is a lack of the coordination. Getting me? Why it's happening, right? What's the cause of this? There is a no coordination among these institutions. Okay, what's the reason? So that we can say most of the important financial institutions are owned by the government. Am I right? Maximum, you take example of any economy. Maximum financial institutions are owned by government itself. Getting me? Government itself. So what happens next? Naturally, the government is the controlling authority of these institutions. Am I right? Naturally, the who is going to control? The controlling authority is a government of these institutions. Okay, so that's why here this causes for the problem of coordination. Get me? This causes what here? Problem of coordination. Similarly, these are the multiplicity of institutions in the Indian financial system. Okay, there is a lack of coordination in working of this institution. Getting me? This is the cause or reason we can say. Okay, so this is also one of the major issue of a financial system. Getting me? Yes. So you can't only accept the growth of the any one of system. Getting me? Whatever the systems are there exist in economy or in a country, those must be run in a smooth and in a healthy manner. Okay, there must be a competition, but that must be the healthy competition. Then only you can say yes, our system is what we can say succeed, right? So until and unless, okay, because of some part of with the having the some part of success, you can say I'm success, right? Yes, as good as you can say, okay, I have the seven subject for a semester, but I have passed only 4 and I failed in 3. Okay, so overall result is what you could have. You can say that yes, I have scored out of it in one subject, but I failed in 3 subjects. Yes, but overall result is what? The fail. Get me? No student can appear for a next level. Am I right? So that is what here. The same thing here. The coordination is very essential. In the absence of coordination, you can't. Okay, what we can say? It's highly impossible to what? Achieve a goal or success, right? So then next I would like to move the fourth one. The financial system is politicized, giving rise to excessive political reference. See, the fourth one says what? The financial system is politicized, is POLITICISED, giving rise to excessive political reference. political reference. Okay. One thing I want to tell you that whatever the major issues of Indian finance system, that is I am referring from the Baligar section. Getting me? That is I am referring from Baligar. Okay. That is Dr. G.B. Baligar textbook. Okay. But ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ KD ಬಸವನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ only majors, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಜರ್ಸ್ ಏನದಾವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೆಫರ್ ದ KD ಬಸವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಫರಿಂಗ್ ದ GB Baligar. If you having the textbook, then it is very fine. If you are not, if you do not have the textbook, means no problem. Okay, you can only copy these points are enough. Okay, because rest of the syllabus I have been completed from the what KD Basava itself. But one of students has what one of student ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಏನಂತೇಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬರೀ KD ಬಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ಕಟ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ KD ಬಸವಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಲೆಂತಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗುಡ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ Baligar ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದ the clearly they have mentioned the point wise. Okay, means these points are very helpful for your examination to remember, right? Okay, anyways, okay, so the financial system is a politicized, giving rise to excessive political reference. Politicized, giving rise to excessive political reference. Okay, what is that? What is the political reference? Okay, so what happens, you know, when the financial institutions lend money, lending and recycling of money, this is very important. Lending of money and recycling of money is very essential. Getting me? So how the political pressure has been impacted on our institutions of system. Okay, that we need to understand here. Now see, government has several schemes. Getting me? Government has several schemes, and the government is what going to interfere in your financial matters. Getting me? Even the government has a right. Now you can say government has come up with so many of schemes, like now Kisan Yojana, you can say, okay, Udyog Yojana, so many of schemes are there. Okay, and then time by time the government asks the banks to write off their loans. Do you remember this? Yes, yes, or government asks the banks to give us subsidies. Getting me? Yes. Now because of this corona, okay, during the lockdown period, okay, government has given the relaxation for a public, means what, they whatever the installments are there, okay, they may they have a right to what pay them in a coming future days, and they have asked even the banks to not to pressurize them, right? So this is what, okay, yes, government is what is a favor of public. Yes, I am right, the government is doing the good things, but we again we have to think even for the banks. Getting me? Or a financial institutions. Government ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ, ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮಳೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಎಸ್ ರೈತರ ಸಾಲ ಮನ್ನಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಆ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಈ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ರೈತರ ಸೇವೆಲ್ಲ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೈತರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದಂತೂ ಭಾಳ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಾಲ ಮನ್ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಬ್ಸಿಡೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೀಸೈಕಲ್ ದರ್ ಮನಿ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಲೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ, ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಲೋನ್ ಎನ್ ಪೇ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ ನಾನ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ. Yes, and we can say that the political interference to the public, that is state ownership, spilled over the internal management and day-to-day working, including personal aspects like recruitment, transfer, promotion, and internal control, which put banks strain in their performance. Getting me? So also the political pressure will affect the bank performance. So how it would be affecting, right? That is what. Also it would affect day-to-day working of including day-to-day working of the bank, right, or institutions. For example, personal aspect of employee like recruitment. Okay, for example, somebody is during the recruitment, okay, someone will come with the influence of government or influence of any higher officer. Okay, you must recruit him, right, because of the political pressure. He will come up with the influence of the MLA, MP, okay, whatever minister. Okay, but now minister itself for what asking you to what recruit him means what you have to obey of his word, right? There is no other way. So it could what disturb your working style even. And again you can say here transfer, okay, by influence somebody is getting transfer or promotions, internal control. Okay, these all what puts bank in a strain, yes, in their performance. Okay, this is what we can say. The financial system is a politicized, giving rise to excessive political preference. Getting me? This happens. Now next, what is the fifth? Deterioration of financial health. Financial health. Okay, deterioration of financial health curriculum. So what is that? Means what? Deterioration nothing but in Kannada we say that ಹಾಳಾದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹದಿಗೆಟ್ಟ ಹಾಳಾದ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಶಿಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಆ ಥರ. ಎಸ್, so what is that exactly? So the deterioration in the quality of loan portfolio led further to the high incidence of loan losses or loan defaults, which affects both the recycling of funds and income generation. That is why, as a result, bank and financial institutions could not increase their capital and also did not make adequate provision for loan losses. Getting me? What is that? Because of this deterioration in the quality of loan portfolio. Okay, loan portfolio. Nodri, ಅಂದ್ರೆ loan portfolio ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ loan portfolio ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ loan portfolio ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ next further to loss. Okay, in the result of the loss or defaults ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು in the both it affects in both the recycling of funds and the income generation. Getting me? Fund recycle ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಂಡ್ ಬರೋ ರೀಸೈಕಲ್ ಆಗೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇನು ಫಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ನೀರು ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ನೀವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರನ್ ದ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, only whatever I mentioned that is coming back, but not at all I'm getting the any extra income on such a fund means what? There is no use. Okay, the same money you can keep in your house and you can sit quite, right? Okay, if there is any extra income generation means what? Then only you should think, yes, I should invest that money in such a manner, right? So that's what it is. So why this causes deterioration of finance system? What are the causes of decreasing the profitability? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಓಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕಾರಣಗಳದಾವ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಅಂಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀಳ್ತಾವ ಅವು ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ರೈಟ್ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ recruitment of huge staff. Next you can say heavy salary bills. Indiscipline and inefficiency of the staff. Low productivity government policy sixth one called lack of direction supervision and control. So these are what the causes. Either impact of the financial or ಯಾವ ಅಂಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀಳ್ತಾವ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ recruitment of huge staff. Okay, see nowadays you can say in the all the financial institutions and the banks, okay, you will get to watch there are several employees are working inside the bank or inside the institutions. Getting me? That's what here they are recruiting of huge staff. That doesn't mean they are what ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ನ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ. Okay, and the government has to pay the salaries according to the norms. Okay, if you take the private sector means what, or in the other sector means what, they will be having their own decision to pay the salary. But in the case of government, what happens, you know, the according to the norms they have to pay the salary to the employees. Okay, that is what they have to pay the salaries in huge cost, right? So next is what again same huge anything because apart from the salary, even though employees are getting the other benefits, like you can say HRA, okay, you can say the TA or traveling allowances, their allowances, okay. So many of the other benefits they are going to get, okay. So that will what? That will what become a huge salaries, okay. That will lead what a heavy salaries. Apart from salary, okay, again the you have to pay extra money for in the name of other benefits. Getting me? So that those are all for what heavy salary bills of the person. Next is what indiscipline and what we can say inefficiency of the stock. Getting me? Indiscipline because sometimes what happens, you know, at the time of recruitment, some you have to appoint some employees due to the what or because of the heavy influence. Now here where the influence comes from the political parties and other, okay, you are not going to study his performance, okay, because of influence you are going to recruit, okay. That will what that will create indiscipline and inefficiency of the staff. Getting me? Because sometimes the working employees they may not fit for such a job. Getting me? Or sometimes they are not capable of doing such a work. Getting me? Even though we are going to what ask them to do means what? Again, it will lead to what? Indiscipline and inefficiency in the staff. Getting me? That is one of the. And the low productivity. Getting me? Low productivity is not here. Whatever accepted result we are not going to get. Accepted profit we are not going to earn. Okay, that is what we say. The low productivity. Then the government policy. Yes, obviously I said no. Yes, what I said. The government policy you need to be followed, right? Because even though you are in a good condition or bad condition, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಗಳಿಸತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಗಳಿಸತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಭ ಆಗತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕೊಡೋದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ಅವ್ರ ಸಾಲ ಮನ್ನಾ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಒಂದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಅದು ಕುಂಠಿತಗೊಳ್ತದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, lack of direction, supervision and control. See, this is the very important here. Lack of direction, lack of supervision, lack of control. This is all managerial skills. Yes, this is all what we say the managerial skills. Because the direction we require at time to time. Okay, the advice we need to get, the supervision we require. Yes, all the employees are working in a proper manner. No, the my institutions whether it's giving a accepted result or no. Getting me? Supervision we require and the control. Yes, control is one of the managerial skill. Getting me? When you do not have this control, yes, in a proper manner, yes, obviously you will lose your name, frame and all. Yes, okay. So not only the direction required, okay. Along with that, yes, the control is very essential. So okay, these are what we can say the causes are impacting on the, you can say, financial health, right? So next there is the sixth one. Okay, next there is sixth one. The sixth main point I am going to write here. Excuse me. Okay, so next is what? Decline productivity and efficiency of the system. Decline productivity and efficiency of the system. The seventh one is called weak capital market. Weak capital market. Okay. So declining the productivity and efficiency of the system. See, the productivity and efficiency of the financial system declines. Yes, it declines when customer service is poor and at the transaction costs are high and the administrative expenses are increased. See, this is point to be noted here. Okay, so many of the institutions are what? Many of the institutions productivity is declining day by day because of this thing. Okay, because the banks or financial systems have been providing have been charging the high cost of administrative expenses. Getting me? But the customer service is poor. For example, I will give an example. Okay, if you want to open your account, okay, you are visiting the XYZ bank. Okay, after visiting, okay, you have to pay the processing charge. You have to pay for the account opening, and you have to deposit the whatever the minimum balance for opening account. Okay, that you have to deposit. Okay, again they are asking you to buy the checkbook. Okay, so approximately you are paying here the 3,000 for opening account. To take an example, okay, so 500 the bank will open account. Just I'm giving an example here. Okay, so if you are paying the 3,000 for the bank for opening an account, okay, after what spending the 1 day in a bank, you have to be in a queue. Okay, you have to receive the form. Okay, and there is a no person is there to advise you and to guide you how to fill the form and how to follow the procedures. Okay, nobody is there. Okay, and so but after taking so much of pain, you are going to open an account, but you are paying much of money. Okay, so that is we can say the poor service given by the bank. Getting me? But the what customer feel here? Yes, Baba, I am paying nice to service mega charge. Yes, this thought will obviously come in our mind. Am I right? So okay, but even though okay, you are thinking, take example, only the 200 cost is there of opening an account. Okay, but the same procedure you have to stay, means you have to be in a queue and you have to spend a whole day. Which one? Okay, that thought will come in mind. Okay, but when the cost is very less, but they are costing the much of money. Okay, and even after providing the bad quality of service or poor quality of service, means what? Obviously, this is the word drawback we can say. So same thing here. What they have said. Does the Indian finance system suffer from a decline in the productivity and efficiency caused due to organizational inadequacies and management weakness? Okay, this is one of the we can say reason or cause where decline in the productivity and efficiency of the system. Next, I am going to put the next word, weak capital market. Weak capital market. Okay, capital market is a market which lends money for a longer period. Getting me? That market is called capital market. So the main objective of capital market is to promote economic development through mobilization of savings and the distribution of productive products. Getting me? What are the main model of here? This capital market mobilizing the savings. Okay, and that saving has been utilized or distributed to productive purpose. This is the main model. But when you fail to achieve or ಏನಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಬ್ಯಾಕ್ The art of the but as far as individual financial in India is concerned, corporate customer, that is companies raise their financial resources through the development banks. Getting me? That is specialized financial institutions. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಈಗ ತಮ್ಮ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಮೋರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಏನದಾವ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. When the company or industry wants to raise a capital means what, they can take a help of these development banks. The development banks will lend money for a long period. Getting me? Getting me? So how it may or how it would affect on your capital market? Okay, that is why. See, the ultimately corporate customer need not go to the capital market. Am I right? Okay, when you are getting that assistant or that service here from the developmental banks, and what is the need to go to the capital market? Obviously, question arises. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದಪ್ಪ ಮನಿ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ಊರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ? ಸೊ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಎಸ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಯಾರು ಹೋಗಂಗೆ ಏನು? ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ inactive and a weak capital market. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, capital market is a day by day becoming weak, and you can say it's becoming a inactive in a performance. Getting me? So these are the major issues of Indian financial system. Getting me? These are the major issues of the financial system. Okay, you can write any apart from this you can write the even other major subject. Okay, after studying thoroughly this subject, okay, you only want to suggest, yes sir, this is a major issue, this may happen, this may not happen, right? Then you can suggest, right? That knowledge you will gain, but when you go thoroughly, when you go through the syllabus and thoroughly, right? So whatever. Okay, this is the one. So these are the what major issues in the Indian financial system. Okay, so the friends, in this chapter, actually the first chapter has been completed successfully in today's class. Okay, so in this chapter, the objectives of financial system, the meaning, the definition, okay, the classification of markets, classification of what money market, okay, capital market, yes, and the intermediaries, institutions, getting me? And major issues. Okay, these all concepts have been covered by in this chapter. Okay, and as the first chapter always it will be very helpful for your examination, and the many other questions they will ask from the first chapter itself, because the main qualification and the foundation will be now always in the first chapter. Okay, so thank you very much, okay, for your cooperation, and so successfully we are going through the online class. Even though you people are not getting of this benefit of this online class, I hope. Okay, still I am and all the staff members, we are waiting for offline class. Yes, okay, we will pray for the best. Anyways, I am going to wind up this class here only. Okay, and in that class I am going to start with the second chapter. Okay, until unless, take care, bye bye.